In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Uber Eats first order promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and search for Uber Eats first order promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this $20 off your first order right here, all you need to do is select your coupon code, and this is the promo code. You can apply this copy. You can copy first of all the promo code from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your first order in order to get this $20 discount right here. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website right here, which is called voucher codes. And as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 10 pounds of your first order, all you need to do is select get code right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy this promo code right here, and you can use this one on your first order in order to get this 10 pounds of discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.